Mom and a couple of babies. And the other babies are in there. Yes, they are. Maybe you can see them. Nope, move over here. Mom went inside. Ouch. Being scratched me. Sorry about everything. And the baby just went inside there. It's Mama. Let's see if I can bend down. Oh, there they are. There are 8 of them somewhere all around. Whoops, sorry about my finger. Yeah, they're hard to see, but they're in there, Mama. They're so cute. Oh, another one. Oh, one poked out. There they come. There they come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one on the other side is 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 8 of them. Mama duck.